topic is carrier transport. Here we are going to discuss the transport of the carriers in a plane. The different types of transport are parallel transport, perpendicular transport, this quantum transport. The first one is parallel transport. Here, the movement of the electrons in a plane parallel to the interface in a well, that is called parallel transport. So, we already know what is an interface. Interface is the joined area of two different semiconductors. Here, if you are joining two different semiconductors of having different band gaps, a region of 2D is formed in between this is formed in this interface, and this interface contains carriers. This interface region contains carriers, and these carriers that move parallel to the plane of the interface wall. Here, where the movement is parallel to the interface, then it is called parallel transport, and the principal scattering mechanism involved in this parallel transport are due to phonons and impurities. This type of transport was investigated in the structures of MOSFET, and where these studies lead to the fabrication of MOSFET. In parallel transport, these conduction electrons move freely parallel to the interface of the well. And here this transport depends on the scattering and density of state function. Here the mobility of the electrons is very high if the motion takes place in a dopant-free semiconductor, the mobility will be high. Then the scattering mechanism involved in the parallel transport are electron phonon scattering, inter-subband scattering, surface scattering and impurity scattering. The first one is electron phonon scattering. Electron phonon scattering is dominant in low dimensional systems. According to the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, we know this delta P greater than or equal to H by A. That is, the electron phonon scattering is in nanostructures is similar to that of in a bulk type material. Inter-subband scattering. This is the scattering due to the transition of the electron in a subband or between two subbands. Consider a two-dimensional electron system that is confined to a modulation doped quantum well, and the system has energy greater than the second level. Then it is possible to have transition between two sublevels in a subband or between two levels in a different subbands. It is due to the scattering occurs due to the transition of the electrons within a subband or between two subbands is described in inter-subband scattering. As a result of this inter-subband scattering, the mobility decreases. Next, surface scattering. This surface scattering is generally observed in the rough atomic surfaces. This real interface are